YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have a really special unboxing. It's time. Time for the PS5. Let's get it. Super excited about this. So let's get this thing unboxed. Alrighty. Pop the bad boy up. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, let's take this down here for a second. Alright. I'm ready for next gen, baby. I'm ready. Be replacing my PS4 from 2015, end of 2015, 2016 is when I bought that. So a little thank you note here. Thank you, Sony. Ooh, got a little special gift here too. Very nice. Well, I'm gonna redeem that very shortly. Alright, let's unbox this baby. Here we go. Let's put this box down here. Alright, we got some paperwork. Set that to the side here. Power cable. Got the stand here, very nice. I'll be having this console horizontal, so that stand will be necessary. Got the HDMI 2.1 cable. Ooh. Got the DualSense controller. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Set that to the side here. And then for the main event, baby. Let's take a look at this. Take that out. Actually, let's put these down here. I'm gonna save the packaging for later because I will be traveling to visit some family and for a little bit of time. So I know I'm gonna be gaming. So I'm gonna be bringing this bad boy with me. Ooh. All right. Look at this bad boy. Ooh-wee. Oh yeah. Sony did a good job with the industrial design. I like this. I'm a designer and engineer myself, so I appreciate good design and good engineering. This thing is massive. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah. I'm excited. Oh, that's kind of cool. Very rectangular, but then from the front and back profile, you got the nice, sexy curves. Oof. Yeah, I like that. Awesome. Now, it's time to put the stand on this bad boy. Let's see. This is the disk drive here. If I remember correctly from the teardown video, there's two little... That's for vertical and this is for horizontal. Stick this bad boy just like that, and then boom. I like the way that looks right there. Just rest just like that. Alright, well the next thing to do is to put this up on the TV upstairs and start playing some games, so stay tuned. Got the PS5 all hooked up to the TV now, as you can see, and I can tell you what, gaming on this thing is a lot of fun. Definitely a big upgrade from my PS4 from 2015. So definitely going to be enjoying this console and playing it a lot. So catch me on Twitch for some streaming if you guys want to follow some gaming. Right now I'm playing Ghost of Tsushima, which is a lot of fun. Also, to keep it locked for the podcast, that should be dropping soon. I'll put all the links for everything in the description. And then keep it locked on the channel. Like and subscribe. Peace.